Hey guys, so today we're going to install a Vizi-Tec SupaBrake 3rd generation. This system, what it's going to do for us is allow us to have a dynamic brake light. This is something that BMW told us we were going to have on our 2018 R1200 GSAs, and they failed to bring it to the United States, which was a big disappointment to myself and several other GS riders that I know. It's very simple, very straightforward to install. You need 3 tools: a T30 torque, T40 torque, and a small common screwdriver. From there, we're going to remove the racks. The seat system that locks in place is going to come off. Then we're going to drop down the tail light, and it's plug and play from there. Stay tuned for my time-lapse video, and then I'll show you how to program it. All right, so now we're going to program the module. If you've already read through the manual, you're going to go to page 24. It's the cheat sheet guide. I'm going to be programming this to Berserk A. All right, so now we're going to program it. We're going to start by pressing down on the brake. I'm using the rear brake. From there, we are going to keep it depressed for approximately 30 seconds, and then it's going to start the sequencing. You're going to select your attributes based upon the number of flashes. It's going to be 1 through 6. Once you release the brake lever, it's going to then save that attribute, and then it's going to go on to the next section, which will be the modulation mode, for which I've chosen 7. So you'll see 7 flashes appear. You'll release the brake lever, and then you'll press it again, and that will lock in the code. And then you'll have it saved, so every time you get on the bike, you should be good to go. Okay, so I have the codes and the variables in place to activate the lights, and I want to just double check I did everything right for Berserk A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, turn the bike back on. I have to wait the 20-second grace period because that's what it is for Berserk A. And while we're waiting, I'm going to tell you guys about a cool little promotion right now. Vizi-Tec, the company that supplied this to me, is giving a coupon code for the first 21 people at 21% off on any of their products. You'll simply go in, you'll put the number 2, wheel, ADV, all capitals, into the coupon code, and you will get the 21% off. But you got to hurry because it's only for 21 people. A big shout out to them for supplying that. Their website is vizi-tec.com. I'll also have it in the link below. And we should be at the 20-second mark, so let's give it a go. Perfect. I like it. It's going to get your attention more. And that's what this is all about. You know, that's why I wanted this on here from the get-go. I want to make sure that the drivers behind me, they're getting the idea that they need to slow down, they need to stop. I appreciate if you would hit me up with a subscribe, a like, and if you have any questions, leave me some comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Until next time, ride safe, guys. Take it easy.